How to delete YouTube Kids profile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I will show you how you can delete your YouTube Kids profile. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch the YouTube Kids in your mobile device. Once you get to this home page, navigate to the bottom right corner and tap on profile option. Once you're here, again tap on the settings icon at the bottom right corner. Here you may be prompted to enter your passcode or to answer this question. So make sure you provide the correct answer. Tap on submit. Once you're done, you will land on your settings page. Here select the profile that you want to delete. Now you will be prompted to enter your Google password, so type in your correct password. Tap on next. After that, once you get in this kind of interface, navigate to the top right corner and then tap on the three dot icon. Now you get an option to delete this profile. Tap on delete this profile, confirm by tapping on delete profile, and with that the profile will be deleted. And that's it. That's how you delete kids profile on YouTube Kids, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.